Welcome back to more Tailgating Eats, and today we are making barbecue grilled blooming onions with Head Country Original Barbecue Sauce, giving it that sweet and sticky glaze. To start, we'll be making a dip out of mayonnaise, sour cream, barbecue sauce, paprika, and cayenne. It's super simple and you can totally make it a couple days ahead. Now let's dive into these Vidalia onions. To start, you're going to want to cut off the stem, leaving the root intact. Then start cutting about a ½ inch from the root straight down, cutting the onion into about 12 to 16 small sections. The key is to make sure you really get a straight cut down so that all the petals fall apart when you turn it over. Flip the onion over and gently pull apart the petals so that the seasoning can get in there nice and evenly. I find it easiest to just work section by section on this. Now let's talk about exactly what seasoning we're putting on top. And I bet you know where this is going. That's right, I'm pulling out the Head Country Championship Seasoning, original flavor. But you can also use hot and spicy or sweet and spicy on this. Just make sure you're using an ample amount and getting that seasoning in between all those petals. Once you've seasoned them evenly all over, it's time to throw them on the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat or about 400 degrees. Add the onions to the grill and cover to cook for about 10 minutes. Now these take 15 minutes total to cook, but in the last 5 minutes, you're gonna wanna brush them evenly with Head Country Original Barbecue Sauce. This is what gives them this sweet and sticky glaze that's absolutely irresistible. Once you've brushed them with sauce, go ahead and cook them for another 5 minutes until they're tender and lightly charred. These should be served fresh off the grill with that chilled dipping sauce. They are so good when they're nice and warm. And that's all you gotta do. It's a super simple appetizer for game day, plus it's also a healthier twist on a steakhouse favorite. So I think you're really gonna love this one for tailgating. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes.